Hey squad, hey, if you're new here, hit the like button for your girl. Subscribe to the fam bam and then comment down below because you know I want to know. In today's cooking video, we are doing a chicken crock pot meal. So join me family in this delicious dinner. And yeah, if you like it, comment down below. If you want me to know anything I could do differently, let me know honey and comment down below. Alright, let's get into this.
Ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life.
Alright, you guys. So for this meal, I looked at Stephanie Rose. She's on YouTube. I'll put her link in the description down below. She made a crock pot meal that she got from TikTok. I'll also put that in the link below. And that meal consists of 3 ingredients. Chicken breast, green beans, and potatoes. But I'm also adding onions. And then I'm going to use my salt, my Sazon, Goya. I like adding Sazon on my chicken. Do y'all comment down below if y'all do? And then she used Lipton Recipe Secrets onion recipe soup and dip mix. And I'm also using my black pepper. Y'all know we black honey. We like if you mix or whatever, you gotta use some you gotta use seasoning when you cook, okay? Try to go hot. So let's get into this meal. Are you excited? I'm excited. So for this meal, you have to put this in the crock pot. So you can either put it on low for 6 hours or you can put it on high for 4. So I'm putting it on high, as you guys can see. I set the timer to 430 minutes because I'm prepping right now, prepping the chicken and stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys when I put it in the crock pot. Okay, you guys, so I'm putting in my potatoes at 2 hours and 50 minutes in the crock pot, so that way they can get nice and soft. You don't want to put them in right away because you don't want your potatoes to be soggy. And then within like an hour and some change, I'm gonna put the green beans in. So this is what we're doing. If you made it this far, hit a like button for you, girl, and comment down below and say I'm the real MVP, sis. Yes, for all my real MVPs. Okay, let's continue. Alright, you guys, there you have it. There's the finished dish, the finished product. It actually came out really good. Thank you, Stephanie Rose. Y'all make sure y'all go over and follow her, even though she has like tons of followers. But still, go follow her. Check her out. Tell her I sent you, girl. And do this recipe. You're going to love it. Okay, I'll put the recipe in the link below. Alright, you guys, that's it. Make sure you share this video out to everybody you know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love y'all.